Ebusia no fe mo bibia kwaba biam from Bright DSG TV. Medin edina na ma boediwa. Enen so yasen abetena sibiem ye dwi wo hu. Ene coronavirus embra ye wo mu se ye be ya. Wo betumi abo ho ban na mesumetumi abo me ho ban. Na enyina yetumi atena asomdwe mu. Abra ye koye nimu na mpenifo ye wo mafemu de susu ampa de na so no de akadodo na gina me ne wo mienu se yeso be ya femu de na bibia etumi akoso de amaye na enche yenim se ye nuanu mozilamifu no empaibo wo mu hwiegu e wo Ghana sase so eni Christian fo so mpaye wo mu hwiegu no senchene ebedi ekire na coronavirus efri yeso efri akọ. But mami enkancho say ha DSG TV Nsemsem Dwumadze sunie ya de bro from Monday to Friday between the hours of 10 to 11 a.m. each day. But he held directorate of Western region ha say no omuma yenya nantie say yenya 9 cases. Western region enya 9 cases. Now cases no we can't say it's confirmed cases. As it stands now, you already know, say we have one case, no, confirmed. But as it stands now, the 818 na babe kan we say suspected cases and confirmed, and it is telling us say yen nyina yen ka ye humbom na yen koso yen di precautionary measures omodi amaye ne so see ye this wa yen nyina ye hu betumi aton because wotie omampani ne 7 address na wo ye no kire say ekoba ne say community be recording more cases go on lockdown enunti no ye nyina ye nkonkopɛ say Western region and I say be a community be Western region ebe go on lockdown ye nko lockdown ko ye hu ye ho ano na ye be call lockdown enti ma nyina ye nya so tie na ye mfa de mpanifo akeka kire ye ne ni so na nyina ntumi hu nto ye na ye ntumi enhye COVID-19 ase enti na ye nyina ye ho so anamom mpanifo ebeye enhwehwemu ni ade assistance yesterday no ma yeti say 6 confirmed cases na free second takrade he ya bia meni umie no yeti he ya ene efi omu nka se shama anase efi kuma anase baby ese second takrade and don't listen to any news around say if this community anase that community and two so every axim eno adam ni DCE wono ewo Elembele district wono abo kwesi bonzo etwetwe nkomo eno ka chem say no cre cases now mehu no no cre two no every axim ampa enti no muma yenyina yenda ye ho so na yembo ye ho ba enti ene no regional health directorate no omo schedule press conference wombeye enti press conference na asene so no ebo modin akoho na de ebesi bia no so de abro na we woni ampanifo ma yemfri ene so eno ada DSG TV crew no wo muti omuhugu monten so ene adwedifo edi nkomo ya ye nitua omampani partial lockdown kumase ne nkran ekoba ne santu no adwedifo ma yenya ntie se ndimi ma ye di akasa fi se obi nko ena obi nso emma womampani ebeyi partial lockdown we free honum obeyi fi won esan so etie ogu monti so say ye bi se adwedifo ndi se ye obetumi akona betumi abei sen ena sales etie sen na ye dwedie eko na Miami PM Matthias Mensa ena woti oni ninya prempre Rafael prempre omuko efia market fie kuma market ena omu na dwedifo mu ho edi nkomo na tie nkonkotie enseme be omuka fon concerning nose masks in share ni mu no ye nhwe se ne sim stress any tailors omu weje ni mu no ma prepare wo mu ho for nose masks so we know
kwado papa social distance no lo kwado o ye bobo kama ye use e bibia fine so bibia fine
me wo de ehyewo nose mask no fine wa bram be nyara na wona oboto ado so won so wo shanda mara na
oh majority no wa sha awan sha so e catch the hair sha fabra
bocha social distance na ngasi sia wa ma ya show ye na adofo na yen love ones sia yen tumponko yenko chapo na adinya wa cancel ntisia wa yedna ma yempa de yebo move around without nose masks na sanitizer mpo akomo mpo de ya for instance a brand sana akọ inside nti bibi kakra mfika fa
so oye sana mo wa beninti na da me nyina wa ba nti oye wa bo anya na ala to ye cry, ya had those say yankasa. A beer to the beauty, Yaba, from everything.
Because President carry about 2 meters and tell you 2 meters no you more.
Papa, how are you, Juma?
I don't measure more papa. I can done and put me yamos.
Now one about Tardon, so you would have been Mishana, the baby Nanche.
If you soon shut.
Free and swear, a jadi foi sama yeti asiese, woman womuton, muko, jenny, kako, momone, ne ko bini adiano, aha. Almost so edin send me to just send near sales sisiano, ko, and Tianco no so Emma.
Why ye, Fuano? Abanama lockdown, I don't know, Nzamatdan as a Tonitdan.
Abeni lockdown if you want. So, the Juma Samlin shut down quay, banana way into my still at the tunnel on shut down ye bank. I can't crave one out of my good.
Say, what did the main bed? I do turn down Kodu. At the tunnel Kodu cry, I'm a yaman soon buy it. Maybe what the baby are no weird, the young maid on your cry. It's a yaman wire basa.
And in Zamano buy it in Kakra, and Zamaya basa currency. You good eye, Shaban.
Oh, sister, I don't your cry. First impono, you but sister, I don't yet. I don't know yet, don't cry. I don't want to. Boss, you that cry the channel that happened to one shall not 1 year obey your man.
Yanshana,
What 2 months on an Zamano to Mamba, and Tinana Bakosor. You quiet yebi, Cacrasso at Babana Boyazan. They say, we're waiting moment, Zamano, Oba, and so a bono uncle Subiala at the tono. Onye ye papa, Martina not into Sicilia pedia there. At the turn on quite an abroad in a Biden, Bancha no Biden. Yakafa Basano tono, so one wabber so palufole. You mention a Biden. The Sicilia pedia will buy dinner ye near when ye necessary Jumano, or Codoso on Shay papa.
Nyamano Koye, lockdown ban, Yamano, nay, Caro, Tumufamba. No boy, I did. That's no, your father can't catch with a boy. One market so slow, that's a rough number.
The phone of the Omenumu Nsem Ede Atujana. But I mean, can't you say, President of the Concerned Farmers Association of Ghana, Nana Opambo, Obue dear Buatin Buensu, the second, and I watch Ghana for say, and no my ewo. Efie mekyerɛ Ghana ha enumaye wo ho entemo obia enwiwi enha ha ise enumaye eni Ghana ha se enumaye wo ho ntino na nke ye twese nsa beka eye guta PRO na nke ne na twetwe nkomo eye padmensa but nem se ne phone no wo menu anape na so aye hyiye enu adanso so concern be de abeto wo no mo se menu enu funsuo ya ye de mankwala ya kamia ye se bi mu aye nhwehwemu kire se etumi boa kio coronavirus enu ti no enche be call endpoint doctor ho ne ye bisa no se no kraben na ewo sasem we mu but quickly ma yanko yanko kosua ade kaka yanko ye school mu kakra ne ye mbisa sisia no wo mampani emi se ban on the school ne de emi se wo mampani e hyedan na adwen se wo be lift and this on shada yan adwen so wo be lifted dey na e bisa se mpanifo dey no mu dey ku akwemu sure say enkwala wo mu school ko hu no e betumi o maybe be dey afa hu wo mampani na be dey kire na wo be kire se on ba be introduce SHS free scholarship program bi ni ade no so ye bebisa intervention mu dey ku won media ma wo sankwala yi but ye bebisa se no ho asem akwakosi sen eno ntini e be ko quickly ye hwehwe secretary na kakano no ye secretary the Western Regional Ghana Association of teachers but nene ni wakokopiem e won kran memu enti before me producer ebenya na yen sabeka no ne ne betwetwe nkomo no mame nka ncho se enende ni ndobaye e wo krom enti no se woti wono ma stress wo hu too much ne momodin se obekokrom na won se tumi aka nduane papa wo bedie tumi boost immune system no obetumi boost na bibia ebetumi aye fine ama won but mame ntwa me hu sima me ba ye betua enkomotwetwe ni so
and Pobaso to desert, loafers, slippers na day. Said Pem works na that, Ebo Emmanuel into blanket, Kingsman Classic she's one. for Facebook and me product ya boom a permit location so I'm a Greek. My number is 0247 40 39 80 with us made in Ghana from Kingsman Classic Shoes One.
Well, menya kane no na mechire natfo mu secretary e Western region ha se nei no enam se adwuma pa wo die ti akokọ piem e wo nkramemu wora Nicholas Taylor wono no ye Ghana National Association of Teachers penifo no mu die animu no bia enti wora Nicholas anopem akọ basonko de by DSJ TV bibia abokọ anopei yeda nyame ase yemi yebisa o sesisi ano ye nkwale ya COVID-19 ada romantin wo mabetena fie wo hwe address o mampeni amemayimu a eje se yenya nde na bia wo chena na bia nkwale besin akọ school ma yembisa nchiche yebe no mude gu akwamudi ma nkwale ya wo muti fie because private schools there and you be say honest na betumi aye nhihye be mu class start so wo mu ye be but yensho government side no nhihye be na o mampeni aye de egu akwemu e de ensho se nkola no muti face so ampa de na so o metumi esua de
okay but I celebrate it me na because that COVID-19 issue no aya de a no be dia na se say no we say we can private schools be one the online the and groups and all that. But in terms of government side, so you say Ministry of Education collaborating with the creating TV station here, secondary school for another. And then say we also have the home-based TV, which is also dealing with the basic education with the nation students. I also know of Joy News, which is a channel where Joy Learning, which is also a channel that will make it a more thing as COVID-19 impact in the mind. But you know, my dear, I did here. I say as soon as you go national sample. As soon as we have collected medicine at the national city as online with also. And say at least so they just go they can understand this online thing. But if I be a class 1 I had go class HS 1 there or the university is look at the teaching I had so the effect will not be the same. But it's a measure woman born with me that they are not collaboration the ones they at home. You say the young Colorado with the some of the schools, the basic schools, I have 7 basic school parents are here to create a platform and they are not that parents. And what they do is that teachers in the school will take sample questions for some assignment they wanted to do. So they put it on the platform and the parents will be able to actually to do it and set up the teachers on the platform. They go through them, they bring their comments to teachers. These are some of the measures that parents they and they got some of the schools they put in place and keep themselves occupied once we go through this pandemic.
Okay. Martinia wo kire na say because joy learning, joy e-learning other stakeholders so take it up. But me mbisa o, wo mu na emu take it up o, eno no nche saban na take it up with them.
Yeah. Yes, upon the side of government in the Ministry of Education, ministry created that is the one in collaboration with GTV. I think the Ghana TV learn or something. Have something that have collaborated with the government try an idea for government side for SSC candidates. So that is what I know. But in terms of the generality, the government area plus Joint News plus for base TV and the other ones that I'm talking about. But government, I don't know. And again, I've also heard that government has also initiated a process with the tertiary institutions to go online. We teach some of the topics online. The SRC of some of the universities, the great challenges they put it now. So they give us a that is what I know for now. Interventions are more.
Well, I am Minister of Education. I am Matthew Opoku Prempe. I know what you say. Yama menu parent, you know. Womo any parent need children relationship no mo hese betumi ebosi akosro as well as parent and then teachers relationship betumi ebosi akosro and na baby bisa say in what sense, in which area, because right now no we are home, the children are not going to school and in the relationship be no mo kan ho asemi
You see, you could know. And yeah, it's a responsibility there. You have parents more than government or the teachers. Because I'm saying, no, what you only for the money are buying them, so to speak. And then there's because parents so. Some people who are parents who are one school, and they want to that they are also correct to say correct. But when you say I get what you also, see, I do see we as a couple of here, and and to the parents in the setting, they make that kind of entry, they better trust about and say, and now one year as the casino, the Comaye, 1 year the casino, Comaye. If you never trust about and say, this time we should take some responsibility. Senior Minister, I suggest a mayor. You have a good reason to put your child. So I want to make additional say, and I say, what do you just have a lot of the only Yadi? She said, was some cat that is Yadi. She said, I sent the young with the man now, or your wood, but as a book, I have to say, the addition to the times in the name of quality, Lucy, there's a quality of men like that. One that you don't get the language for a long time. So one more time for a long time. I will see actually that you be school on the corner. Then you will say, no, Grano, I had the for Shana, Yabasa, for Rebecca, and Why, and what is your phone, and one bad and one announce. The best your mom said, you and some will be open to me after teaching. They say, oh, I did wait to the open them by the and also the one. Then get something to the teacher to support you. I said, won't be entertaining, but your phone will be access some questions online. Maybe I'm on banner. Go to their one of my credit to get you see and they will see the gun. Say, yes, I'm one of vanity. I say, you didn't say you could school that they don't say, you could be any because of we change about English school. Media, say, English school are always on Kalaya, they want to be a social distance and have money. I don't know. They don't know the then down for all, down for all, and that's a good approach. And I classrooms now, classroom 40, 50, some 60, 70 our classroom. Now we're going social distance, now we're going to say, who could have continued to say, if I'm going to class. It's not me, I have some cassette, and they are both say, oh, we debate now before. Now, share one to our I have said that they say, gentlemen, I'm not a school.
Okay. Okay. Yes, by say one page and mujuma power did 1 page and muna 1 year more when it comes to education. And Ghana has say I think last year Nimho baby and a comprehensive sexuality education. Ebe buy Emma Yenina Soligina say a buying Yan Tiasio way there. Say ya bro ya so and on penny etchi sign kakra. So mugo so mu ye how best ome to me a develop a program when no de aba e be boa ye ne mum enkonko seye new curriculum enyama meka teacher for nsa enti eney kran before the lockdown and I say before our government e dey ban be to school so na teachers ni bim bebre na e connect so and on one can say, Cosia, the Bechere and Colana, dear. And see, a new curriculum in one year, joy learning, what other learning a stakeholders so taking up that initiative. How are they teaching the kids? How are you guys ensuring so they are using the right instrument to teach the kids?
Okay, but that's a very good question. The part for the curriculum it is there. The one that did that will develop it is there. But it is the textbooks that have not come. Textbooks and hence how you can't want them ministers working on it. But as we speak before you go out, they're not the master. Now more teachers resource pack. So resource pack concerning my account on various platforms. The teaching is basically 2 things: the pedagogy and the content. Senior, first I tried it, and when I see I did a part these 2 things are always very important. The teachers resource pack will tell you how to go about it, and then the level you can go with every child. And the textbook, the content at the as I would say, and the child. So I don't know any in the words Minister of Information, Minister of Education, I can say, Womoko NDC for website that you can get some other information and all that. And for now, Minister of Account, and they say, for the meantime. Me, I mean, you know, so and usually but for now the textbooks are not ready. but they are using teachers resource pack and other relevant materials to teach our children, which we are managing it for the meantime. But we are still, as association, teacher association here, we are asking that government will hasten the process or the same thing. But I'm not here to me, I hand in hand.
Okay, all right. And no, Mr. Muna muye penifo, musu muka abai no tie, and no munguswa enka until say abai no betie na dia enyama pa wo ye no obepeja ni muna wa ye ni more because no ada na me PM me programs manager wono e teacher ni eno am ne ka so say wo kwaji nkwala no bu say ma ke ya chese she cry ni nkwala ni trim within I think 1 month to say the nkwala betina fi kapre cry ni nkwala ni trim ntine arewusem timu he
psychology of learning as I told you akola de no let me say what the class will be shared you I made this error this morning when I was in the other station akola na go kumase Nepa work class 3 on kazo aye pen fa so and the for the first 2 days I be we mo lockdown akola the share school at the end of back aka tell papa say so no school obi sa kisa papa na the car mo for about 3-4 hours as a brother I was there I'm going school psychology is there they know the teacher they know the classroom they know the environment so even my children who are in JHS and all that sometimes they will pass that they don't be in school that they not back at the school they are worried yes as well are also worried but we cannot also say because of that they are rushing it will spread like wildfire.
Okay.
Internet is a buying put this budget in place.
As I see, and people teachers say, "Who be here to see?"
It's Ghana something. I mean that one is written that only Ghana, and some people are suggesting say, content assessment different years man idea I buy a proposing stakeholders there if we going forward now we have 2 weeks ahead in the baba saba and the master and muscle and so why and the West Africa said the almost ancient date we are taking the kitchen here so you be say be ember out preparation and the bomb say I will phone me for me here around kola exhibition here I say you be no and then they that so good.
Okay. And like I said, you was in the BEC in social still it's on hold until further notice. Yes, sir.
Exactly. All of them are still
on
hold.
Okay.
No different confirmed yet. It's all on hold.
Okay. And Mr. Nicholas, my now I say, almost a work could be and cram memo then as we been here about 12. Yeah, about 12.
You could say this over the Munqua,
yeah, that's a passer when you are teaching Como. Yami sure. Now, Cosua, na yajuma pa for boy, why? Okay.
Okay.
All right. And you know, Mr. Nicholas Taylor. Now, Kakano, Western Region Secretary, Edema, Ghana National Association of Teachers, but and then no, Wakako PM, Ewan Kramemu, and before I share then your regional no. Womun penny for near the because we are actually a penno, a brainy, but yenya and nano penno, ye share and a World Safety Day, and tis a beer won't ni moi. May catch us a World Safety Day, and Tinia Beha, and near my wood draw beer, a bet to me, I ye Eddie a boy and who buying now ye to me out sock of 19 at home. Oh, shall ye Tima, and that's what ne try so say stop the pandemic. And in 24 idea because there is no other moment to media than COVID-19. And you know, me wo Ora Richmond Jonas Kote, one no administrator Edema OSHA Association Ghana, one administrator. But before me call this na chichi nkomo no, ma yentwa ye hu sima ye ba ye de computer ne be hyehyɛ so.
Welcome to Kingsman Classic Shiswan in Ghana. Jumaiza idun we aye mpobwa. Mpobwa sort here desert loafers lepers na de. Say pem works na da eboyi manre into blanket Kingsman Classic Shiswan for Facebook and me product ya ibun pem location so me wa agrek. Me no me 0247 40 39 80 with us made in Ghana from Kingsman Classic Shiswan.
You are talking about Corona. We see Nyamisha Bebre say Uguswa wo share but more than na your watch party on na wadam for be on share na share so for my your contributions and then your comment are welcome wo de ba ye be ready e de amo se na enso ya wo da so just let us know ye be we show fefe na bibia etumi e de ama obetumi sa send a text message on 0595971540 0595971540 na woni atwetwe enkomo. You can also call it a studio line to betumi afre na also de chiwadwen no na etumi bisa ora Jonas abra ya china betina studio hase mu nim se sisi a wote na yi wonya kwa sorry ko dada ba to bo ya chiri de na ya che no eti ora Jonas ye mu akwa ba
ye nua
bibia bokwa no pay
ya dom
de nyankopon wase ene e wo safety de na so dem say safety de ka na safety a obo ade nya so do no wo che wo de ma no ni safety and in the kind of safety who they wouldn't want to year pan. But theme na a safety day celebration so they say we should stop the pandemic. Pandemic we to stop money.
The thing is say my babet na ide mami chetie for. Ashefo.
See station yes so. Esuche TV station
yo omo hwe yen but omo tie yen so because you bia na betumi ahwe ebi ho tranche na o tie bia e kosi nti no munyina no ye chie omo na question ya obi say the thing say in safety no ye obi bia ye friend hierarchy of controls so na ba kon any say ye be elimination any say ye be yi ade na free okra nti say ye ka say pandemic no say be twa so no na che say ye free okra so ati ase na me ne onyina ebeji atumu say ebe ye din say ebetumi aka say sisi ayetie ye yi ade na free okra so if you say day one ye ka say lockdown ewo Accra any Kumasi yenya ebinumu a the very first day no mu pia bontin se omo ba behwe se omu nuanom ehedem ana so what you say yes ehedem we pie se o ba behwe se onua ehedem ana na we pie ne
president o mu ton credit enti o ba be ton credit e de ama coronavirus
iti no ye hwe sa suban a menewo ye team e wo sa man wi mu a na question no sign ebe biom say ye betumi etwa so ana hwe ye sisi ano yemfa bucket nsi ho a nsuo wom se me na si ho minya video bi a oba me se sa oba na eso mo hwe no no mo chi no
sa
eso mo hwe no me wo video no wa
we afoma me na me fama me tech for yem play
bucket esi market esi public place wudi nsuo gum se nkrofom be hwo mo nsa no na we bie bucket no so wo hwo nsa de gu sa bucket nim na wasen akata so akotena o store itino obi ono ba be bie tap ne se oba hwo no nsa no se wo virus ni bia na che say at the end of the day who distribute virus no. So how can we stop the pandemic?
Debio wo bie bucket ne so e de ne session so ni nyinem
ehyensuo num ehuru ne sagu suo
na wo bie ni honom
sa obi na twa video no na de betu social media
o say tema meka say tama ensa oroye ne bai na meka say ebeye san kampanifo ti san kai wo ba ideas ha say ya anopen boys ne ehwe no mu de ne si wono enka nipa ba ko na wo gina ho aba supervisor na wo gina ho enti wo ba wo no ko na be bia de na ma na wa horo nsa ho. But then no obeka say obi aso aye hye enti no ye nhwe sa na ema no obi aba na we bie so one tap no obi ade ne saka obi ade ne saka obi ade ne saka at the end of the day no aside coronavirus no other disease ebe to me aka tap no no only God knows.
Iti minu aba de tini say o hwe team na or say stop the pandemic, safety and health at work can save life.
Yes.
If we cannot stop the pandemic, then what can we do to save life? It's all about safety and it's all about health. But my main country say health for a year omo asedi. So health for asedi omo ye ni say. Omo asedi omo ye ni say. Omo ye follow ups with omo a omo nya contact nomni omo munya yare ni bi omo test omo the information so omo dey ba out ni ade. So mini aba na safety for no so dey na ye me wo safety social platforms the omuni ane say oh me ton no smas me ton way on said ya me no but is it enough for the people to buy the nose masks and all these stuffs.
And no, can you security analyst Adam Bonacra to no say even material no cry the nose mask no cry e be containing chemicals bia it's no good for her because I do ye sha ye breathe it will breathe here new there now so woni nipa ko no kwa wapame it will breathe ko we don't even know what you are breathing inside and you know e dey kran hwehwem na ko mama ye wu material and ke be ye good for a nose mask sewing ke betumi aboa ye na ke tumi you see no because hospital dey asa
iti unimwa safety for so I said this some betumi aba out no more about be education on the use of the nose mask, the use of the sanitizer, the use of this hand washing and also the use of the gloves. Mehu obia disposable gloves Oshe, no, the nyama bebre different types of commodities or items. So, or the so we not the akosu, we not the so not the seven for here and there. So, it's a safety for so I said this a bit to me about nearby education. Okay. Meno ka say my year about 25 minutes recording on how to use face mask. So 4 different types said ya yesheno me ba si de hoyi me de ba ko pe na me de bai inti me gina wa sa konye we suna me de aye ye kan say training no yes ama ayi na ye nyina ye hu sa nose mask ya me krei eye nose mask bia nipa bebre ehye bi dia idia commonly name aye ni ma different ni ye surgical nose mask. Oh, if you say, doctors, some operations, nom task, share sa way. Aha. Now, Ocean no smas here, Sisi and Mikasa Treme, baby, a year, Nesro, and in Asia, Ubehu.
Every moment, because you are Treme.
Okay.
But it will be,
but your father say, Itino, Sisi and so person who esro any Asia, Usomu say na Ufilia, Uben said that dear Eshe baby. And no, no, somewhere we no. Ube said daddy ese nti baby a daddy ne hye no oho no na beba soro eye ohwen ne soro so oho no na beba ohwen ne soro nti wo de no beto ohwen ne soro sei na we mia so umia so a efa ohwen ne shape nti sisi a megem mpo a wo hu
and that's so show
aha nti no afi na wa chichire e wo soro sei wo chichire wo soro sei na a title fine so ube si ni po mienu eye nyansapo mienu na afi waso asie no muso no watwim e de abeto abodwe na ase o de beto abodwe na ase na no ba chichire o kon ne ho so hu aha nti o chichire ni sei na esoro ebon ni nyina esi enchenchen no so ebon bia nda ho ofa ase so ebon bia nda ho nti no areas a obeka se mboa na se infutura na bibi betumi afa oni nyina no tokro ni nyina esisi interesan se tokro nyina esisi ntinu nim se ho banbo no edimu so atimi ase aha na yewo white one no so a eye round a ye hye no eno so saa na obehu se eno so dade bi ewo no soro shining dade bi ewo no soro bebi adade no wo no ho na ba soro ohwen no soro nti abeda hwen no soro na eno so na we mia so saa na fa ohwen ni shape ube sembre pi na agwa so bi shebi na wadane no na dade no eda form wo na eno so ekura eyi ye kan se elastic mienu na elastic mienu no bo se ode ba ko pe e de ahye ni ti na we jai ase de enim na ase de no e hange ti se de ohun wa he so ohun wa he na me no ka se su no wasan adane nose mask na account dade no e kire form na aha no so on fan chichiri ni ti na e hangi say iti no make sure say wo a wa hye nose mask sa no wan hye mpo ankaye so atimi ase aha nti say wo hye eye elastic the first one obedi kan de no ahye wuti aba okon wachi na fe odi mask na to wanim na bebe adade no wo no dade no ebeba ohwen no so na wemia dade no so ma na fa ohwen ni shape if you say ufa nipa forward eso obia ne ne hwen se de eti obi hwen wa obi hwen ye tata ebi hwen eso ni ade enti no umia dade no na fa ohwen ni shape pepepe na fe uwi a second one elastic no wo de no ato three no eti ese can say waso no esro wo de to hosa na then there ne say ebon bia eda bebia ewo say infuturo etumi kono na say be ka say abo ni bi betumi akwa no sa elastic na odi ato uti ne suru say ene okon echi no take care of sa tokro ni nyina esisi sa tokro ni nyina afesu no dade na umi aso no esisi tokro ni nyina na local max ya ye pumpami de okre mame udie na me fanye uhwe we ya uhwe esro ene asie ni nya ne shape ni ye 1 esanse shape ni ye 1 ni ti no me catch you say bamba wo sha ewo se wunya no untumi nya samba mbo no
sa me pacho me ba o when the shape say wo mutu ba ko say no I say
omo erezi ha ne kakra eno no na ye omo rezi ha say ne kakra eno no take care of your nose no so on say dia wo hye we na we ne ti no umia we no so a na utwi we ni mu a so on take care of your nose no pepepe but we no we di kan ya da ntimi ntumi hye intino hye we nefa camera ne to so ne hye se de ti ube say ne me de difference de ewom uhwe inche ha say na ube say kwan tokro eda ohwe ne soro wo iti me fa sa konya we so de a kire ye nuanom a omo epempam sa no smas we no say opamo a pe dade na abrofo ne de we no unya bi ubetumi anya copper wire ya na wa yi ebi abeye 2 inches na wo de ahye esoro bebi a wo se hwe no
na yese gold bi sa
wo na yese gold yes copper wire thickness na ye kakra na wo de ahye esoro no 2 inches or 3 inches wo de ahye esoro no bebi a wo se ba ehwe no soro no se de be a nipa ne sha obetumi enua so na afa ehwe ni shape so na akata sa tokro no sisi a wo sha wo de wo sha be se tokro eda esoro entumi encover ehun nyina yie so iti no sa na noxmasi eti ene na uhwe yen team na o se yetumi ede sa bamboi eye yensa ye hoho ye yisu sanitizer na afesu no ye she nose masks in the public areas na che say ye hwe say sa niam miensen a ye de agu kwam say ye fambo ye ho ban no ye betumi afa sa kwan we so na ye de asi yare no anokwan efi say so wa bon ho ban ma bom ho ban obi abon ho ban a sisi yare no wa na benya na aka no enyo bia nka no it me catch us say within the next 1 week 2 weeks 3 weeks or within the next 1 month ye komi de betia ni say Ghana yare ni ye de eni ha biom efi say obi atumi abon ho ban efi sa yare no nti yare no onyo bia nka ne biom but me no can say every day by the time ade be say 6 o'clock no na ye expect say ebenya recordings ebi a ye si nipa ba kwa abeka ho nipa mienu abeka ho nipa du aba abeka ho but ye nyina ya bo ye ho ban a by the next 24 hours ni ye nya recordings bia ye be ye test but a report e be ba ni say negative negative itina fe ye be kan say o Ghana ha yare ni ye de yare ni ha biom efi say yetumi abo ye ho ban so what me ase itina ye team no ka say we should stop the pandemic now by practicing health and safety. If we practice health and safety, we will save our lives.
My member health in a so kakra. Pandemic iba ye nyina nyo bi ade. But ekamia say from my observations, ekamia say ekoba ni say wo bi say eti ha say. Ma me mo wa say obi me take for obi abedwane because me virus ni bi.
Yes, and I make us say education.
And one because ebia na one ebia normal ebia no like nimpa there at least utumi ebo ewa normal nya say ebia yare bi won but because of this pandemic na ba no ya man ye hu too much enti no say me bo asisi ana okra so be solo dwane sisi ana say me hinti sisi ana obe sorry age and this is here. And you know, don't you think and no so can and I'm rising on the coronavirus cost runner. Because in Kabia me bowa and Kawakwe safety personally. Okay, ama my uncle hospital. Ebe I go doctor and see normal what that time I'm more cough mixture. Na kofa. Ebe mama 2 weeks after 2 weeks still order so bowa sign bra. So that omo has say no munye safety people they will understand and know so ama one of boy no enye coronavirus wo but normal ewo na wabo.
Yeah, ewom sa de etene say ni nyina ye nkyerkyere. So wo hwe TV so omo ye nkyerkyere bebre eye World Health Organization omo ye nkyerkyere bebre na de etene say nipa bebre na meka say omo nhwe omo nhwe isa nkyerkyere na ekoso TV no so no omo ye much interested in Africa movies. So omo ye much interested in Africa movies.
Onum say bebi wo Ghana ha say ya incredible Ghana ha say ya ye omo ni TV omo nya inumpo omo ni UTV Adum TV ni ade America say omo no abi digital anti abi bia wo so TV a enye say ye dey a wo hia internet as wetumi ehun dey a ye wo mu eni bi and so that you know as to get the precautionary measures training and as education you know hardly for them.
Yeah.
And these people, how do we reach out for them in terms of giving them the education? How do we reach out for these people?
Intina your communication minister wanna see for wo intino omo asedi say omo de omo vans na de amom no speakers esisi so takrade ya say ubon say periodically no ubon say na van no enam very slowly na kasa koso omo ye public education omo to be kojina once in a blue moon.
Yeah.
So but like you are saying
yes, you should stop the pandemic. Say once in a blue moon is this going to help us stop the pandemic?
Yeah, into ye you saw this very occasion World Health Day ende so ede esusun akire omo say omuma omunan yentietia ewo villages ni ade hwe me catch us hwe woti ya shatade fefefe ma shatade fefefe a she me reflector egusu ni ade what me ase hwe yewo Ghana yewo village jisbi wa ha omo ye very interior omo shatade omo de ahahan na omo de akata omo ho me catch your plane I saw as it's still here in Ghana. Go to some of the villages in the northern region. It's still there. I saw a current video that was taken. Someone said I don't have that one here, but I can get it for you.
And you get money.
So, but the point is, we have these people. Obi eko research. Or take those it me catch us say communication minister no should be up and doing, should do more. Say officer ebia hands ni so me for instance I'm ever ready. Say if they should give me the equipments to do I'm ever ready to take up the mantle. So what I say, and I know there are other people who are ready as I am to take up the mantle to go to the villages and do education here and there.
Into me can say I say man penny ni penny for you pano wo mudi na I say omo yi nkofo bi.
No, won't say tie. The point is we have a staff. They have staffs they are working with. But for all you know staff na ho de nu so to me endru bebia at the same time. So we need more people. Yes, we need more people. Yes, this very time yes, all we talk about is health, and we forget about safety. But what we are talking here is about health and safety. Look, you cannot do with health forgetting about safety. When you talk about health, you talk about safety. You talk about safety, you talk about health. The two moves together. But let him tell you, I know companies you started this pandemic issue. Almost safety talks. in their respective companies.
The safety talks now circulating around is the use of the
which
hand
is very bad.
Wearing of the nose masks, and then washing of the hands. That is the only safety talk air course. That is the only.
But it's about health. Health for but this thing should be done by safety. So, safety people have to take up the mantle of educating the public on how to use the sanitizer, how to wash, how to protect yourself with the nose masks and all these things. Safety for us.
No, me bisa will be say sanitizer way. Have you taken it to the laboratory? No, what test here we say okay, sanitizer way. Ye bet to me use it. Acquire na ye the picture be picture by and sakan na nipa ko no use hand sanitizer ya e ma ne sanwu nyina ejisi. And so, even with the processing of the hand sanitizer and the crampono, I think so we can take it to the laboratory. Na lab for na ye shishemu, say safety for so show me to no so aye, then they come out. FDA out be approve say you hand sanitizer way ye bet me use. And even with this one kwano, I can't even say FDA for crampo I approve it. Because of the pandemic, we are doing things in power. We are not even consulting the necessary instruments. I say, for one answer to me, I come out with our product.
Sure. No crepa, the outcome no crepa. Intino, yenina, 50-50 issue. Nipa bakun into me, ye. Yenina, ya said it. Into the can say safety is everybody's responsibility. It's a collective responsibility. So president I said this say obehwe say Ghana fo nyina no ye ho banbo edimu intina meka say every Sunday no about out no about speech ye say na or encourage and otu yenfo or ye say afi ministers for no so I said this said their president aka no omsom beko form no mo akodi ho djuma na omo tuatu aso na to me ne wa ye studio here ye ka say so what I say eni yenfiefo say yenfiefo so beti ase no so mo tumi a chekere omo intino obia wo asudi bia esese oyeden edi boa sa tibie asisi aye wo mi ya akoye ahokyere ama obia school phone tumi nko school ejuma ko ejuma kra esuro wom sisi ejuma ya chemu mienu half ko na half eti na fie ene ho nkeka ho but the most important aspect America me person say twi yadwin edigina so ne say yenuanum safety officers omo companies because of pandemic nti omo ejai tools boss talk ne ye tools boss meetings no mo ejai ye no enye ne kwan so this is the time say tools boss talks no see ye no once in a week this is the time see ye no every day na ye observe social distances with the necessary protection na ye to me eka yema inchechere fire no ho said dia kobane ade ama in our various companies no ye to me edi ye huni said the be ye nya bi na omunya sa education so they will send it to their homes the education be come fie ama omoye nom omukunum omumba omunianom omwati sa education no omo so matumi dia mafoforo na say ye ka say because of pandemic no ye meeting kra ye nchekire ema ye staffs no what is going on na ye jane trasa na emboa.
Well, mami fa won see her say na ye be say abaso because so what is say o mampeni so me see 88 hospitals.
Sure.
88 districts and no. And no se be ba no so some metia we am no say o mampeni aken send am safety people no musom and even if say yakopon ya adom na wotumi biebie kwan de mo mampeni ni mpeni no mu the 88 hospitals no at the bar. What are the safety measures that the presidency and also the Ministry of Information Health omutumi eteki apabetumi abua mami ma update on the COVID-19 as it stands now no according to Ghana Health Service 1,550 cases and ye to me are recorded Ghana ahasi and then 11 that so remaining and then 155 recovered and we are having a good news na emom no yenkoso say ye bedi precautionary measures na eso say na penini chechire yenkoso say ye bedi so enra da na kamia ye say say yi Switzerland ometumi overcome coronavirus no but no ye be come na yakọ confirm whether it's true say ampampa o metumi overcome corona ene nke nyina betu kan yakọ yakoji beye na ya fly yakọ ma me nko ahoma ne so me saka cheiba for wono na ye PRO for chops conference of head of private second cycle schools SHS for no and alright me wakọ abasunko ana pe bibia boko de nyankopon adom IJG TV ejine musa COVID-19 environment no abebia se ebetena ha se na ye ma obibia hu dia ekoso o man Ghana amemi sa private school for muso mudi dia joy learning for ye no so any dia Ministry of Education any dem medi so aside no dia na mumu because mumu dia na private and you know there are a lot of means and way to me afa so I reach out to students you know near there so maybe some juma dia pampa na mudi in this COVID-19 e dia bo students you know
that is na kwa kwenye exam ya wa shefo
ni na do so
no kwa tene ka juma dia ni ni me dia gwa kwa mo pa dia gwa frente dia anka do ka bebre me mo ama ayedin ama sense je dia gwa kwa mo pa ni beti ni so e dia gwa mo faro ayedin ama ya pa me kire mo sa na ni kan se so sa direct se ba e ba protocol kaka kra sabe ki benya yede tia se kita foya nyomu ya duma ya aka na ma se dia gu akoma ma fare tisi no wati ya duma no ye ni dinti yin mu kanti ama se se no fire din se be ni implement ko no ya sa kita fona pero ka se school se be bre match for match ni pra yo match be sin na yin tinti anka ko se ti ba ku o se balance senior high private senior high na ni nya de dan dan ya hu ni na ba ni na ejina ni ya wo tia all like any no wa ma de ma tia ni free certificate e wo ho ba ye den enye free nti so ba tia ni ka na ba ma ya na ba ye dia enya kakra wo nya free a wo fo e na de e na ba put to so mo ko fi nti aye de ama yin nti so afen ka the first 2 weeks ni de ni na ti tia ni nya mo pepe onye data kakra ewo ya segment no ya wo mo fani dia sabi oni zona obenya internet ni ade so da mo fano kan say audio learning ene ye no so tita no ni ya che mama ofisi bia no pa be no ntia ko ti be no so o mo fani di kakra o mo ni zone for internet no conference learning na ho ye so pa kola ne be enu na wa prefer no we prefer na pe mo ya pa conference learning no we are the next you know so we can share the kedo dem we sana what na be so no and it's an mo ta di na ma se ni na ni ni ya ho hwe ni aba
enti no mo friend kola ne e wo fie na mo aye ni conference na ma cheche ne memu e de ama wo mo but mama bi so e ba ne mathematics ami ama metie de me ko school che ne kra gina board ni me che me kra and said on committee papa enti aba ne matter no mo ye de na mo kire
about the truth is that we can we are not in ordinary times. In the said you have a lot of deficiencies. It been a wabosing the issues of numerous and other numbers. No, the numerical subject now. And we have been so big my part will be brilliant. And now I got a sum of fun and student learn by observation. The second those limitations are there. But yet, when some limitations, and yet, yes, I put in place, you have to take care of them. At least we can we are movable, so they are, but one about number, it means that they are deficient in the coin, and one other target more. Not workload now, Uncle Dawson. Okay. So we are still, and let's say I would say a year for the moment, because I'm not sharing the most of the schools are no longer doing it and continue. And continue. That's because of Sanya, I'm check a
oh wow, and you know, sir, in a year, we take it up. Muhu is a response no from Kualana Femuno et saying. And send a quamen and Mufaso assessing Kualano said, their mucha womuno, Suswampa say, a co mutrim to send your classroom, the any bayano.
The reality is that all the classroom I won't be coming to classroom, because I said they learn by observation. But one observation making anything, and parents make that involved in the exercise in the air person. Who responds if you are saying parents and getting involved. And yes, not parents to say. At this particular moment, also we are taking at this time, this is the time my parents class had more. And I want to have to be training and for what you have to have for Panadi. So engaging our fathers to pay attention to the serious and taking part in the exercise. And the future. In the next parents, this is the time I'm also more. They get to the attention of my family. But into the more.
Parents be on ma. Parents be on ma. Once on happens one shade school nkwaya no mu akwanya bebre. And you know, in which area say omo phones no any available to their what now move from say to me akawo mo and say what kind of help na more expected from the parents.
School ni and you know nya go na mo better na abia no some question ne ba no we mu no nya nam TV so nya sections nya teacher mu nya area dia Facebook live nya area Zoom there was categorizations ahodo depending on the sector and the economic status of the people at the point you know which approach to use any of the approach here you use to be parents no educated so educated all the NFA all travel plan because they are say at this time and on and yes I'm no consumer when you say my baby the conference no conference call no use wa make sure that time about plan so Africa also what in here cause we on see but kakra for family care all the exercise they am all the nyina at least when you one year sa you imagine so yeah you are on your friend credit card you can your phone you can always make it available time and
well, I think sir, you are doing a great job. Private schools for no more year at the Cassia, you know, Munkoswa na munye mum making sure say mobile extended this teachings where no ama the various regional schools, private schools, send them almost to make take it up. This assignment no mo dey abo student no na bra mo fie ni nyina no metumi esua de enti no I think say my eduma kese mungusu ana mo nya mo aye na emepem no so ne besi aba ho no biem na de mo akwakoya akodru bia nso no mo de ho response no e de abreye
me that say no de enye den say ye ne sa
okay
mo so mo aye na mo nta ban say not a simple package is supplements now, all come what them now. Let me be a private school, so much you a phone can help with here. I want you to find a car crash on one. Engaging them because the channel had lecture to on yet, or to the car, the Chanica.
And then see a crumble credit squad best for a crumple on one as a water.
Oh, what does it?
Someone says, yeah, credit crowd bed you to grab a friend, Chronicle 1 hour better.
And no near some, and I can see I didn't buy never for you, it's a bar never for. Every time they are so thick. Oh, this is when the race see at the end of some crack. When you got it to credit, I started doing it. The Johnny Campbell, no, I didn't think I don't put it in form. But what would Jonica? What would you find Branson? You can buy more 9 years and no, you crack a Canada, your name, Mamma. Some you didn't school about school and will bet you on the back.
Well, I think, say, you're burning penny for best Kunyawa. Antini yede same we be ma wo mo so no mo so mo company fu anima na wo mo etumi ama mpani fu aso etumi ati no maba aba beboa enti maye na wase na yemfa wunsi ana emepemu no ye be sen aba wo honom ora cheba fo na ye no wo atwetwe nkomo
me ba to me that
okay enti ebusia ora cheba fo PRO for chops and which one is chops but a conference of head of private schools circle second circle schools Richmond, but I'm reading this press release from the regional office. Na yemfa will last west na yemfa sorry so. I say stay at home and then wear nose mask when in public. Following its meeting on Monday 27th April 2020 on the heels of the President's 8th address to the nation on Sunday, 26 April 2020, and the Ministry of Health directive on wearing of masks in the public places in order to prevent the transmission of the coronavirus COVID-19, the Western Regional Security Council, RICSEC, hereby direct as follows. 1. With immediate effect, wearing of nose masks is mandatory for all in the region when stepping out of home. Homes, markets, and offices should not accept persons who are not in nose masks any entry. Okay. 2. All transport operators, particularly the commercial drivers and tricycles operators, market women traders, restaurants and then drinking bar operators, wayside food vendors and hawkers, as well as their customers or patrons. Indeed, all members of the general public should endeavor to wear nose masks in the course of the work. 3. Drivers should ensure the minimum load of passengers 24/7 and do not violate the protocol at night. MDS, business premiers and all the places patronized by members of the Republic must ensure higher standard of hygiene. MMDS should ensure the policy of alternate days for alternative products in order to improve social distancing in all markets across the region. Okay, so 6. Heads of institutions, whether public or private, should endeavor to provide Veronica packets, accessories, and soap, tissue papers, as well as masks, other basic PPEs as prescribed by the Ministry of Health and the Ghana Standard Authority for the use by their staff and client. And then 7, also steps should be taken by the security agencies, MMDS, to flush out children from the market centers and streets and the pleasure and fishing beaches, and save them from exploitation of all kinds. And then 8, while the Information Service Department and CCE, the radio, the community information centers continue to educate the public on precautionary measures against the virus, the security personnel should strictly enforce the restrictions, including the swift prosecution of offenders. And then 9, the health workers should remain focused. 10, all members of the general public should also remain calm and comply with these measures in order to conquer COVID-19. Remember, the suspension of the gathering, including conferences, workshops, funerals, except for the private burials with not more than 25 persons in attendance, parties, nightclubs, drinking spots, beach festivals, political rallies, religious activities, sporting events still in force. Okay, so all public and then private educational institution and the country's borders remain closed. To wash your hands with soap and the running water and use of alcohol-based hand sanitizers. Na obi wakasa na akakofa mori no di alcohol mo say hand sanitizer. Na go na kwan so water until my share no so ye papa. To cover your mouth and nose when you cough or sneeze, and avoid handshake. Above all, make up before you step out of home, or at best stay home and work from home. The virus is no respecter of persons. To all flood. Okay, so honorable Wachida Kumensa, MP for Secondly for Takrade, and then regional minister for Western Region, NOD. Nsemsem Ede Abraya Ntimpacho mayi na ye disu ye virus nde onye na damfo ni obi a wonya wo a wo be jew pacho your final words na yen sorry 88 hospitals there na safety measures by and on betumi asel man peni say won fengu akwemu so sia na bibia anye fine
very good na mom ye bi say won say hospitals adada na e ho no kra no e ti say
information minister Kojo upon come was say omo abandon sa hospital o mampeni dada hospitals or sites we say so omo abandon
no and put them in kind no ho asem dia me kire ni say ye hospitals fane say European hospital ye fie kwanta I'm talking about equipment.
Oh, okay.
Because we have these hospitals, old ones, they don't have the equipment to work.
Okay.
Okowa uni machine like ebia obi ehia ahome a machine or the be man ahome ebia obi say wunya CPR machines they don't have the equipment to work. So operation room a bogus. Ohokra bon ne ade so on said they are mature no. Until at the end of the day the old hospitals need refurbishment and also a new equipment or modern technology equipment to work with. So what I said, then we can think of building new hospitals and also furnishing those places.
Okay.
Because at the end of the day, say 88 hospitals say you see we are their machines in a babegum. A dana ne pay. And you're dining in here. So, but the equipment to work to save lives and only here. So on said they are mature no.
Okay.
And only here. It's building 88 hospital is not the question. But the point is, what are you going to put in that hospital that is going to save lives that we need?
Okay.
Then first of all, let's start with the old ones, Let's say that equipment I don't mind the building equipment hear me. Yen share no we have new ones na wait na fi ahwe no ne nyama ewom. But the American etwa to on say we are yen let's try and employ safety officers in all our hospitals.
Okay.
So that they can take care of the safety issues at the hospital. Doctor and safety officer only the about health. And your safety officer on way safety hunniama. I don't know about children say why away, I will say far away, I will say yes, we I will say we yes. So I say, and only your doctor in Juma. And only your nurse in Juma. And only a safety officer in Juma. Into the area, let's try and employ the safety officers into our clinics, our hospitals, so that they can also be useful. So that at the end of the day, the work will be 50-50. The health experts are doing their work. The safety officers will also do their work. And putting all together, we'll get 100% work done in our communities.
Okay. Enti ebusia ye bre no ekobebre enti no miemsi ombefu papa pom fanche na ni nyina COVID-19 na da romanti na eya na abasa enti mu fanche ye nyame show bibia se wo hwe me sorry se metumi video comment na yakopon yadoma wo china ye besan me video comment na e dia mo will keep interacting even after the show no end ne ye be koso edi nkomo aha Nsemsem Dwumadze de bro Monday to Friday me time no kwenti muni amen kampo mi we fi me di nkra me di na na amabo ediwa enti no me PM na wo boa me and then acid cinematographer na osanse de tech ona wo hwe cameras ni nyina so and then tap sober an assistant o me na mboa me na mitumi di Dwumadze bro me executive producer Mr. Mataya Stofo Damwa wono so ebo mechido na mdi Dwumadze ebro yakopon mo china ebesan so Asia but next program eba so Jezimbo Ntisha Raphael Prempe na one unko nyame asemu ye physical na ye spiritual na ye de share COVID-19 nyame so bibia nyame admo china ebesan Asia.
Welcome to Kingsman Classic Shiswan in Ghana. Dwumadze idin we aye mpobwa. Mpobwa sort ye desert, lufes, lipes na de. Say pem works na da ebo Emmanuel into blanket Kingsman Classic Shiswan for Facebook and me product ya ibun pem location so me wa agrek. Me no me 0247 40 39 80 with us made in Ghana from Kingsman Classic Shiswan.